Hey guys, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today here on my snowboard, you can see I have a bit of a crack on the top of the board. If you look at the bottom of the board, it's not actually going through. So I'm going to see if I can fill this with some epoxy. And just basically, first thing I want to do is Dremel this out. So I have, I'm going to put a different bit on here, but I'm going to put something that's going to basically sand that down, not go all the way through. You want to get rid of all these kind of splinters. I'm going to fill it with some epoxy, and this is super strong 4400 psi. So let's go through and do that. Okay, now you can see that I've dug this out as much as I can. It's got a nice depth, but it's not going through. Now I'm going to get this epoxy set up, mix it, and then put it in. Some of this in. Spread it out. Okay, so as you can see now, I have epoxy all filled up. I'm going to let that dry. I've gone a little bit wider than I needed to. That will just give it some additional strength. So we'll see how that does after this. Okay, so here's the finished product. You can see it's pretty much dry as I bend the board. It's holding up really good to the bend. It's not cracking or anything like that. So I'll give it a snowboard and see how it does. But you can sand this down, this excess here. I'm going to leave this, kind of looks cool. I kind of like it. So I'm going to leave this little excess going out here. If you want to sand it down, you just want to make sure that your edge, you still have that metal edge, there's nothing problem with that. And then the bottom, of course, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.